In this short video, I'll guide you through how to change the admin of a WhatsApp group. Whether you're looking to transfer ownership, make someone else an admin, or remove yourself as an admin, this process is simple and straightforward. Changing the admin can be helpful when managing large groups, delegating responsibilities, or if you're no longer active in the group. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have complete control over how to transfer ownership of a WhatsApp group or simply switch admins with ease. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users manage their WhatsApp group admin settings, including changing admins seamlessly. Today, we'll explore how to make these changes so you can better manage your group without hassle. Stay with me to also learn how to add an admin to a WhatsApp community. Now, let's get started on how to change the WhatsApp group admin. To start, open WhatsApp and go to the group you want to manage. Tap on the group name at the top to access the group info page. From here, scroll down to the list of participants, where you'll see the current admins marked with an admin tag. If you're the admin and want to appoint a new one, tap on the participant's name you wish to promote. You'll see the option Make Group Admin. Select this, and the person will now have admin privileges. Now that you have assigned a new admin, here's how to remove the old admin you wish to change. To remove or dismiss an admin, follow these steps. Open the group info page again. Locate the admin you want to remove from the list of participants. Tap and hold on their name, then select Dismiss as admin from the menu that appears. The selected person will lose their admin privileges, but will remain a regular participant in the group unless you choose to remove them entirely. Alternatively, if you wish to remove yourself as admin in WhatsApp, select your name, and you'll find the Dismiss as admin option. Keep in mind that only other admins or the group creator can remove you if you're not the one initiating this change. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with changing the WhatsApp group admin. If you're looking to add multiple admins or switch between them, here's how. Head to the group settings. Choose Edit Group Admins. Uncheck the current admins you want to remove or check new ones to promote them. This method allows for efficient group management when you need multiple admins handling different tasks. But what if you're dealing with a new WhatsApp community and not the usual groups? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll show you the easy steps to add an admin to a WhatsApp community. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.